Good afternoon, everyone. This is for CMPS 1024 for the summer semester 2022-3. This runs from June 19th until July 21st of 2023. Both myself, Timothy Damey, and Mr. Miranda will be lecturing for this course. So this video will start off a series of videos which have to deal with the Microsoft Word assignment, which is a part of the course final project. So just so you get an overall understanding, each piece of the final project will be submitted throughout this short semester, and at the end you will have an option or the ability to resubmit all of the pieces that you have submitted previously, incorporating any of the feedback or changes that you were requested based upon your rubric and your grade in the initial submission. So you will submit everything at the end of the semester a total of 2 times. So you'll have the Microsoft Word business proposal, you'll have your business website, you'll have your business budget, you'll have your business database, and at the very end you'll also will submit your video presentation. So, and the way this will work is that each piece counts as 15% of your grade when you submit it the first time. When you submit it the second time, you will note that according to the project, when you submit it the second time, if you make all of the changes that have been requested, then you could receive an additional 10 points towards the course project, and then the other 10 points will come from your submission of your video, right? So this will be the actual video presentation that you're going to submit, okay? Each piece has its own rubric, so each piece will be graded individually, and then again when the changes are made, plus the actual presentation, okay? So let's get into the first piece, which is the Microsoft Word portion. So let me open that up. And so the first thing you're going to be submitting, and this is due on Thursday, June 29th, and with a short semester, there'll be no late work accepted under any circumstance. So please make sure that you submit your work by the due date. So remember that what will be the norm for this course for this summer submission is a semester where everything will be due at 5 p.m. There will be a grace period up until midnight that same day. After midnight, the system is not set up to accept it, which means that you would get 0 points for that submission. Once you miss 2 assignments, you will not be able to pass the course. So you'll have to make a decision on whether or not you're in this for the long term, and if you're going to submit your work, then you will get it graded. If you don't submit it to time, it will not be graded. Okay? So please understand that your business proposal will be covering all of the research that you have done on the business that you are going to propose. You're creating a business proposal. Remember, all of you should have gone through Management 1014, which is Fundamentals of Management, and all of you have gone through Introduction to Computers. So you already have some basic computer skills and you have an understanding of management and business proposals. So therefore, we're going to capitalize on that because all of you are business students, and your business proposal will be citing some business that you are creating that is new or from scratch, not an existing business that you already have, not a fictitious business, but an actual business that you're going to create. Remember now that if you took this course already, anything that you've submitted previously, you need to just delete it and throw it away. Because if you submit anything that resembles a previously submitted project or assignment, you will get a 0 with no opportunity to do it. I will repeat that because it's very important. People have done this in the past. They fail a course, they try and resubmit work from a previous semester. I don't care if you did it or anyone else did it. It doesn't matter. You have no right to submit the same work twice for any course, whether it's the same or a different course. So this is a brand new business proposal from scratch that you'll be creating. You are going to create this and submit this by Thursday, June 29th. You will have a cover, a table of contents, an executive summary, a methodology of the business, which is basically what will be your business and how will you deliver your goods or services to the customer, how you will use technology in your business. You will tell us about your background in this field. You'll tell us about how you create your pricing structure, what will be your markup, where will you find your goods from, your financial, basically discuss what is the research that you use to come up with the numbers for your Excel budget. Everything in this business proposal should be strictly words, not charts, not tables, not menus, nothing that would be repetitive from another submission. You'll have your final thoughts, and your 6 references should be in line with the research that you did to come up with your business methodology and your pricing. You will also have an appendix, right? Well, there will be a letter written to 6 financial institutions requesting funding for your business. This will be done using mail merge. In the appendix, there will also be a form that you will create to gauge customer or local interest in your business. The form will be protected and have controls, including checkboxes, a date picker, and a drop-down menu. No other files besides Microsoft Word will be accepted or graded. So, for example, you should not use any templates and no PDF file. You only submit one Microsoft Word file. Okay? You have a rubric that's attached. And again, remember, this is 15% of your grade. So you'll have a title, cover page. You'll have the table of contents, the executive summary, the proposal, methodology. You will have the pricing and the financial. You will also have the timeline. You'll have the final thoughts and the references. Okay? This is an example of how a reference would be listed using APA format. Your rubric also includes for each of them how to get the full points for the submission, and paper covers the questions and information requested thoroughly and responds to all of the issues. There are 4 pages, not including the cover page. You will also need to include an index, right, and an executive summary, a table of contents, and a reference page. This is 4 pages that is just lone text, right? None of the reference or the formatted pages would be included in that. The majority of the paper is written in your own words, and the sources are cited properly where they're used. You will include your mail merge form and the present with all controls that are present, right? That are required, that are present. Your grammar, you'll have proper spelling and grammar, punctuation, and minimal mechanical errors, along with your 6 references. The paper is presented in logical order with introduction, body, conclusion, and thoughts are organized by topic. So this is basically your rubric for your first submission, right? So please be mindful that you follow the guidelines that are here. These are not suggestions, these are mandatory. All of these sections should be there. So you should not waste your time with doing a SWOT analysis and a lot of other things that are not being requested. Just do the sections that are requested, okay? And you'll have no problem with this first assignment. I'm creating this video as a resource that will be available throughout the semester for you to be able to access from YouTube. I will provide the link for it on the Moodle webpage. And in addition, we'll be discussing the very same things during our sessions that we have, which will be the consultation sessions. But being that the consultation sessions are not required, they are seriously suggested that you attend them live so that you can ask questions, but they are required viewing. So either way, you're going to see something similar to this, if not identical to this, if you come to the session or watch the recording. Remember that anything that's discussed in these sessions and these recordings is required and will be required in order for you to be able to successfully complete this course. So I thank you for your attention, and please attend the sessions and ask questions. It really will help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.